is going on, guys? Welcome to another video here in Bangkok. I am going to be checking out Sukhumvit area, Terminal 21. It is actually raining at the moment. It is the second day of the year that it's rained here in Bangkok. It rained yesterday, and I've been here since November of last year, and it hasn't rained since, at least not in Bangkok. It did rain a little bit in Phuket, but it has not rained in Bangkok, and this is the second day. So this is Terminal 21, so we're gonna kind of walk around. It's a very popular mall. Gonna walk around inside. I'll show you guys the themes of each floor. Every floor has a different theme. You'll see here in a minute. So yeah, I'm excited to check it out. Yeah, I've just been very busy. I have another job, a remote job that I do, because I don't make a lot of money off YouTube. I wish I did, but we're not there yet, but it's all right. So yeah, this is Terminal 21. Right now we are Rome, floor G. This is apparently a Rome themed floor. And you'll see little, I guess not statues, but I guess like figures or decorations. See, there's those statues over there, Rome-like statues. But yeah, this is a pretty cool mall. It has a lot of floors. There's a Starbucks. And if you haven't been to Bangkok, there's always a theme going on. So it was just Valentine's Day. They had a lot of Valentine's themed attractions, and they do it very big. Like, they go pretty all out with these attractions. But look at this. Look how big this mall is. I mean, a lot of the malls here are big. So we are going to another floor, and actually should have gone the other way because it has the name of the floor. But we'll figure it out. So here's H&M. Let's figure out what is the theme for this floor. Let's see, the metro is over there. So yeah, I haven't actually uploaded a video in about a month or so, because yeah, I've just been super busy with stuff with my other job, remote job. Yeah, but yeah, vlogs are back. Make sure and subscribe if you haven't already. We're going to be checking out different areas here in Bangkok, and I'll be showing you, different stuff, different attractions you can check out if you're coming to Bangkok or if you're here. Let's see, this is M. Okay, so this is Tokyo, I think. Doesn't seem like it. Level M, Tokyo. This floor doesn't really have a theme. I think, okay, so the top part is Tokyo. So let's go to floor M. Floor M. Or level 1, sorry. Well, this is floor M. So we're going to Tokyo. But it's nice to get a little bit of rain. It's supposed to get hot in the coming days, so hopefully it doesn't get too hot now that it rained. It usually cools things down. So yeah, this is Tokyo. As you can see, the Tokyo-like decorations. I don't think the bottom floor really has a theme. The last floor we were on, it didn't seem like it.
You can put small or medium.
That's pretty cool. The Tokyo theme decorations. Let me know what you think. Okay, well, let's check out another floor. And yeah, this mall actually has a lot of little boutique style shops, which are pretty cool, which you don't see in other malls. Other malls, you know, have your typical big name brand stuff, and this one has a lot of, like I said, boutique shops where you can do like a small shop for like smaller brands and more of a, I guess it gives you more of a local feel where you support more of a local brand. How busy that looks. Okay, let's go to another floor. I'm noticing that the stairs, the escalators out the front say the names. The other escalators don't really say the names. The Tokyo style decorations. So yeah, let's check out level 2 London. And then level 3 is Istanbul. Let's go to London. See what that's like. So you can see London right there. So it looks like the rain was short-lived. It stopped raining. Look at that giant escalator. Arrive at level M. So that's level M. It skips 2 floors and it takes you to level 3, which is Istanbul. That's pretty cool. So we are in London. So let's check out what the decorations are looking like here in London. So we got this United Kingdom. Look at that. That's pretty cool. We got some more London theme decorations here. I see a bench with the UK flag. Even the style of the shops say London. Alright, look at that. Okay, let's make our way to... Well, we still got a little bit more. Look at that. Let's walk here. See, this is what I mean. These cool little smaller shops. Not necessarily like a big name brand, but a smaller local brand. Pretty cool. Pretty cool stuff. Let's go this way. Yeah, you don't see these brands everywhere. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Alright, let's make our way to another floor. Yeah, it's always... I've been here before, but I haven't really explored, I guess. So it's also good that I'm here because I get to explore. Always something new to, I guess, check out here in Bangkok. for as long as I've been here. I'm always discovering new things. So I don't mind going out and checking out a place again that I've seen, because you find different things. Okay, so let's go to Istanbul now. So, departure for Istanbul. Oh man. So yeah, my routine has been, work during the day, work for a few hours, we'll go out, get some food, explore a little. Or I guess in my area, I stay in the Donglor area, which I will do a video there eventually at some point and show you around the area where I'm staying. So I don't know much about Istanbul. Well, I guess a little bit. I've tried Turkish food before and it's very good. But yeah, I don't really know much about it. But it's a place I would definitely visit just to know a little bit more about it. So I guess these are Istanbul style decorations. Yeah, it seems like it. I guess I've seen like movies where, I guess movies take place in Istanbul. Makes a little bit of sense. See, there we go. I've eaten, like I said, Turkish food, so I've been to Turkish restaurants. Okay, so departure for San Francisco. Check out San Francisco. At least it's not hot today. Because yesterday it rained, and the day before yesterday it was getting pretty hot. But it looks like I said, the rain cooled things down, so that's good. So this is San Francisco, America, San Francisco. And again, you can see the San Francisco style homes. So this is the style in San Francisco. Yeah, that's pretty cool. There's nothing this way. Let's go back over here. Looks like this floor is just dedicated to restaurants and dessert places, things like that. Let's see, we got a tram there, the tram cart there. Old San Francisco. Let's check out what we got over here. Let's see. Sunrise tacos. Tacos are a big deal in America, and especially in Cali. Now, I haven't really had, I've checked out San Francisco briefly before. I haven't really had the chance to explore it for a long period of time, so it would be a place I would, when I'm back in America, I would definitely consider exploring for a couple of days. So this is a food court. I guess that is the San Francisco Bridge, the popular, famous San Francisco Bridge, as you've seen in pop culture and movies and Hollywood and stuff like that. So let's check out the next floor. So let's make our way to the final floor. Let's see if we can guess what floor this is. Alright. let me know in the comments what kind of videos you guys want to see, any requests. I've done Chinatown videos, I've done some of the biggest malls here in Bangkok. Yeah, let me know in the comments what kind of things you want to see. San Francisco again. Oh, okay, so this might still be San Francisco. Okay, so San Francisco gets 2 floors. Yeah, this is still San Francisco. As you see, a lot of food areas. I don't really eat at this mall because I find it very busy. I'm more used to going to the Hong Kong area, which is closer to my area. So, you know, I usually go to the food court there and eat. But you know, all the malls are for at least to some degree, they're all busy, you know, and that's normal. That's gonna come with the territory of Bangkok being a huge mall attraction. I guess I'm just used to eating at Hong Kong around the BTS station area. There's 3 malls there that are very connected very well via the Sky Bridge. But check it out if you're here. KFC, very popular here in Thailand. Boat noodles, and yeah, this isn't a food video, but I plan on doing a Chinatown food video at some point in the next 2 or 3 videos, so stay tuned for that and make sure and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. There's a lot of Thai food in this floor, and obviously we're in Thailand, so naturally there's going to be a lot of Thai food. There's a lot of unique restaurants that I have not seen before. Okay, it looks like there's one more floor. Hollywood, okay, Hollywood. So we are going to the I thought this was the final floor, but I guess not. We are going to Hollywood. Now this is the final floor. There's a Hollywood sign. Look at that, like that's an Oscar award, I think. Is it? I'm not sure. Okay, so this is Hollywood, and of course it would be a cinema. So you can watch movies here. Look at that. It looks like it's electronic based, and like I said, there's a cinema. We got some Marvel. Oh god, Toy Story there. The Monkey. Oh, looks like a cool movie to check out. A Valentine's scary movie. Oh, there's, like I said, there's Hollywood. It looks like there's another floor, but that's just a gym, it seems. See a lot of cell phone stuff, cell phone companies, phone companies, things like that. Electronics. Well, okay, guys. Well, this is that was pretty much it. You get the idea. I'm gonna wrap the video up. It was a quick one. Just wanted to give you a quick tour of Terminal 21 if you're coming out and you want to check out some of the malls or Terminal 21. Hopefully this gives you a preview and what to expect. So make sure and subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.